welcome back to my channel. As I promised you all that I would make a vlog after my exams get over. So here I am making a vlog. I don't know. I'm just pushing myself too much out of my comfort zone. I don't know if I would be able to make a nice vlog or something, but let's see. This is basically my first vlog. So hey guys, welcome to my first vlog. My exams just got over and I just came to my friend's house to visit her. And also, we've just spontaneously decided to just go in the market and visit a new Zara store that has been opened in Sector 17. In the starting of February, I uploaded a video on my Instagram telling you guys about some announcements and announcing some big things about my original song. And some of you also suggested me that I should make a vlog since I speak very nicely. And I don't know, but your suggestions were really nice. And here I am making a vlog. Okay, I'm at my friend's house. And we'll go visit the market. We'll just get ready and stuff. अपना हुलिया ठीक करके हम बाहर जाएंगे. अभी तो हम नाइट सूट में ही हैं. तो okay, let's start. So we were just getting ready. एंड मैं अपनी फ्रेंड को अपनी बेस्ट चीज़ दिखाने वाली हूँ एंड शी इज़ अ बिट कैमरा शायद तो वो इधर नहीं आएगी तो ओके सुनिधि बी अ बिट ड्रामेटिक ओके मेरी बेस्ट सीन्स निकल रही है इधर जीन्स एंड हम
दिखाओ जल्दी
1 2 3
सभी वेट कर रहे हैं
बस आगे आगे नहीं आना तुझे
आगे क्या गाना था
कुछ रिएक्शन तो दे यार
यार
मेरी बेस्ट चीज दिखा रही हूँ
बहुत सुंदर है यार
ये मेरी फेवरेट जीन्स है
ये सच में बहुत प्रिटी है बहुत ज्यादा सुंदर है
ये देखना बोलने से तारीफ करी तो क्या तारीफ करी है ना ओके सो वी आर ऑलमोस्ट रेडी एंड ऑल्सो डोंट फॉरगेट टू वेयर योर मास्क Okay, so let's go. We have just reached the backside of the Shantiniketan garden and we are in front of Sector 17 lights and just look at the view. So we have reached the 17 sector market. So we are in the main market and we are searching for the Zara store. मिल नहीं रहा यार ज़्यादा स्टोर हम थक गए और हमें स्टोर भी नहीं मिल रहा यार सुनिधि हम ना पहले बंदे हो गए जो हम जीपीएस लगा के पैदल जा रहे हैं
आई नो
चल रोड पे
ज़्यादा स्मार्ट है और कोई बात
हम कुछ ज़्यादा ही स्मार्ट हैं हमें एग्जैक्टली पता ही नहीं कि ज़ारा है कहाँ पर, हम जस्ट ढूंढ रहे हैं वेलों की तरह।
हमसे बड़ा वेला दुनिया में कोई नहीं।
आज एग्जाम्स खत्म हुए हैं, वेलाबंदी तो करनी थी यार।
Head southeast.
बस करें। यार टॉमी को पता होगा ज़ारा कहाँ है,
नहीं पता।
टॉमी को पता होगा ज़ारा कहाँ है फॉर श्योर।
नहीं पता।
टॉमी को पता होता है। इधर please। पहली का है आपने। चलो।
ये हमारी पावड़ी हो रही है।
ये हमारी
पावड़ी हो रही है।
नहीं हो रही। So it turns out that there is
No Zara in
outlet.
Sector 17.
Yeah,
which
there
I
is no
already
Zara
told
outlet in
her.
Sector 17. Google is showing you
Wrong
खराब-
results.
खराब। Google,
खराब results.
Google is misguiding you.
There is no Zara in
outlet.
Sector 17.
Yeah, there is no outlet in Sector 17. तो अब हम क्या करेंगे? अब हम पता
अब
नहीं।
हम बुक शॉप जा
अब हम बुक शॉप जा रहे हैं, और क्योंकि वो हमारी बेस्ट प्लेस है हैंग आउट करने के लिए, है ना? तो हम बुक शॉप जाके बुक्स की विंडो शॉपिंग करेंगे।
नहीं, हम बुक्स लेंगे।
अभी हम वेरोमोना में विंडो शॉपिंग करके आए हैं। नहीं
We're gonna
करेंगे?
buy books.
वील बाय बुक्स, ओके। क्योंकि अब एग्जाम्स खत्म हो गए तो अब हमें कुछ,
अब हम नॉवेल्स पढ़ेंगे।
हाँ अब हमें पढ़ना होगा।
हम इस दिन का इंतजार कर रहे थे कब से।
एग्जैक्टली हम इस दिन का इंतजार कर रहे थे कब हमें अपनी टेक्स्ट बुक्स से छुटकारा मिले और कब हम न्यू बुक्स एक्सप्लोर करें। तो
Exactly.
let's go. So one thing that I love about pandemic is wearing mask, because when you wear mask with a pair of sunglasses and you walk on streets, nobody can recognize you, especially your relatives, your classmates, your friends. And वैसे भी इस एक साल में तो लोगों से बात करने की आदत ही छूट गई है, तो इट्स बेस्ट फॉर इंट्रोवर्ट्स ऑल्सो।
I still remember in class 9th, my English teacher Miss Anjuma made us watch the movie based upon this book, and it was really nice. So probably the book would also be nice, and I really wanted to read this book since then, so I think I'll go ahead now. If any one of you have read this book, do tell me in the comment section below, because I really want to read this book, but I have just too many books lined up in my to read list, so please just give me a very quick review.
So Sector 17 is known as the Open Mall of Chandigarh, and now you know why. You can find every brand here, almost every brand. If you want to shop from brands and you want to just hang out a bit with your friends, you can visit Sector 17 for sure. It is, by the way, Sector 17 C Market. बच्चे यूजुअली हमें देख के स्माइल करते हैं, पर अभी नहीं किया।
लगी है
अब हमें बहुत ज़्यादा भूख लगी है तो
लगी है।
मोस्ट प्रोबेबली कहाँ जा रहे हैं? सुनिधि विल टेल कहाँ जा रहे हैं।
मुझे नहीं पता हम कहाँ जा
हम सागर इतना जा रहे हैं।
ओके
मतलब ब्लूपर्स में डालना पड़ेगा मेरे को। ठीक है, तो अब हम सागर इतना जा रहे हैं और मुझे आवाज़ तो सुन नहीं रही है, बिल्कुल नहीं सुन रही मेरी आवाज़।
द बॉडी शॉप चले।
See the different shades of trees.
So now we are heading to Levi's store. हाँ? फिर नहीं आना? Okay, so now we are heading to Levi's store. We just wanted to, look upon some trendy jeans there. So let's go.
This sector is a vibe in itself. Even if there is no festival, you'll always find this market completely decorated with lights.
Look at those beautiful lights.
We went to the Levi's store, but there was nothing to record there. Currently, we are at Sagar Ratna and there is a lot of noise here. So, unfortunately, I won't be able to record anything here. But I also wanted to show you guys something, so please hold on. Also, wait for the bloopers. Now, I'm going to show you the oldest fountain, that is the Cock Fountain, located exactly in the center of this shopping plaza. Have a look. I don't know if everyone calls it the Cock Fountain, but I used to call it that when I was a kid.
Okay, so I am back home. So, coming to the important talk now, we all know that we are facing this pandemic since an year now, and we all know that we have to wear mask when we go out, we have to wash our hands when we come back in. Only washing your hands when you return back home is not enough. Either take a bath or change your clothes when you return back home, because a recent study shows that if the clothes that you are wearing comes in contact with the virus, then the virus may stay at the fabric of your clothes for whole 2 days, and that too at room temperature. So guys, please be safe and don't get lenient about this virus, because the cases are rising since March 2021 again, and also the vaccine has arrived. So just take the vaccine at your turn and help control this virus, because it's been an year. We all want to return to our normal lives, because the online study is not as effective as the offline one. So please take vaccine at your turn, and please keep taking the precautions even after you get the vaccine, so that we would be able to control the virus effectively and return to our normal lives. Okay, so this was all about the things that I wanted to convey to all of you guys. And also I wanted to tell you guys a very cute story. I was in class 8th when I found this book in my school's library. The book was called Same Soul, Many Bodies by Dr. Brian Weiss. Also, I used to read this book a lot in the library period, or whenever I had the chance of issuing this book. And we all had a chance of issuing any book once in 2 weeks. So for the week when I didn't have this book, I just used to hide this book in some corner shelf so that no one would read this except me. This went on for few weeks, but after some weeks the books got restocked and I was not able to find this book anywhere in the library. So I tried finding this book in many bookstores, but I was not able to find this particular book. And then I got too engaged in studies in class 9, 10th, 11 and 12 that I was not able to read anything except my textbooks. But today when I went to my friend's house, I finally got this book. I found this book at her place and I just immediately borrowed it. And I'm too happy that I got this book. This book says Same Soul, Many Bodies by Dr. Brian Weiss. And this author, this doctor, he is such a brilliant person. I'll just read this book in one go and I will also give you a book review of this. according to me, this is a very amazing book because I'm a very curious person since childhood and I just want to know everything from why ants don't sleep to how the universe works or what happens to us after we die or why do we die, why do we live, and things like this. So I'm sure that this book would give me a lot of exposure, and also I prefer reading non-fiction books over fiction books because I have this thing in mind that fiction books are imaginary and they are fiction and they are not that real as the non-fiction books. I feel that I get a lot of knowledge from non-fiction books than the fiction books. It just depends on your choice, but according to me, I like non-fiction books more because I get to learn a lot from them. Okay, so this was all about my cute story. I hope you guys enjoyed my vlog, and if you liked my vlog, do subscribe to my channel, do like the video, do share the video with your friends or your family or whoever you want to see this video with. And if you're watching this on Instagram, please like the video, please share the video, please check out my YouTube channel also. I have a YouTube channel. I post music videos. I also post vlogs now because this is my first vlog. So I hope you guys enjoyed it. I'm not sure if I made a very good vlog, but I just tried my best. And thank you so much for watching this vlog. So I'll go to sleep now. I'm very tired. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye bye.
So Sunidhi, how did you like visiting the Capital bookstore?
मेरा phone बज
Yeah.
Okay, so we are almost ready. नीचे करो.